What's up, guys? So, got a package in the mail today that I figured we'd unbox. Just a quick video. I already know what's in here, but I haven't got to see it in person yet. And this is the first one. Currently the only one. But for you guys running FP Black turbos, you might be interested in this. Let's see what we got here. So, some new gaskets, some stickers. Another gasket. Hang that one up on the wall for when we install this. This is the part we really care about. So, for those that have seen the car in person, or seen it at the drag strip or something, you know that during deceleration and like if you saw me at the end of the track, you saw a big cloud of smoke, or on the dyno. On the dyno you saw that thing of smoke. So I mentioned to Robert at Force Performance when he was here for airstrip attack at Pikes Peak, and he said, why don't we change out to a Xona Rotor center section, take all the oil out of it, because this center section is a journal bearing center section, and it takes a lot of oil. Well, sometimes it pushes oil past and into the exhaust. This doesn't take that much oil, so it shouldn't push past and into the exhaust. So I'll be installing this brand new, very first XR Black. So center section, my old cover. So I sent the other side and my manifold to pristine powder coating to have them recoated. So I won't be installing this today, probably about a week away until I can install this on the car, but I'm sure you guys want to check it out. I'll post some pictures up on Instagram down below. Check it out and see what you think. But yeah, Xona Rotor center section, very cool. Just in time for DSM shootout. So get this on the car at the end of the week, and then after that it's time to load up and head out to the shootout. So very excited. Thank you very much, Force Performance, Xona Rotor, for sending that, and super excited to try this out. Hopefully the smoking issue's gone. A little bling factor in the middle, no more rusty center section, so a little billet. Doesn't hurt anybody. So I'll have maybe an install video of it. Otherwise, see you at the shootout. If you're there, swing by, say hi, check it out. and we'll see you there.